welcome to Ljubljana.
And you're watching Fantastic Four.
So welcome to our apartment here in Ljubljana, Slovenia. We are super excited to be here, but we do wish it was a little bit warmer. It's unseasonably cold, but if it was warmer, we would have probably started you off sitting in this beautiful area. That's a patio area right outside of our apartment, where we would have done lovely people watching. However, because it is so cold, we are going to go ahead and take you inside. So when you come inside, you spill right into this tiny little foyer right here. And right above my head, you'll see a sign that says beer. So it's a beautiful handcrafted wood sign, and it has these letters made out of pipe. And it's just sort of what you're greeted with as you come in, and it indicates that there is, first of all, some artistic decor going on here in this apartment, and second of all, a couple who is very, very skilled with doing some woodworking and sort of handcrafted customization. So I'll show you and point out some things to that nature as we go through this tour. So the first place I'm going to take you, strangely enough, is the bathroom, which is right here off the front door. So it's a tiny, tiny little bathroom, but very functional, as I'll show you here in a second. First, we have the shower here in the corner. I love these doors. The boiler, the hot water heater is right above me. And I love these hooks. These are sort of some industrial hooks. You can see up close here, there's some wood burning, sort of artistic work. They look like branches on this woodworking. You're going to see that throughout some different things in the apartment as well. I love this mirror. I don't know if you can see on the video, but it's round, and if you kind of get back here, you can see it's the top part of a keg. See, this is where I would lift up the keg if it were actually still attached. So it's really cool. So I'm going to take you also on this side of the bathroom. Tiny little washer, which was super functional. We've already used it once or twice. And then a regular toilet, but then we have the toilet paper roll holder, which is made out of, again, this piping. Super creative. So I'm going to take you back out into the foyer, where again I'm going to point out one other kind of cool thing. This is sort of a, I guess a shoe rack, but if you get close here you can see that the shelving is again sort of filled with this wood burning artwork. And then we had places to put our shoes, and then this is sort of supported by kegs. This is part of a beer keg as well. And then also, this handcrafted woodworking, with these industrial hooks they made for hanging our coats. So anyway, super cool, and we really just enjoy this decor. And I think you're going to enjoy what's next in this room, which is the master bedroom. Ta-da! It's a giant beer barrel. A giant beer barrel bed. This is where Mitchell and I slept, and it was super fun. It was kind of like being in a cave or something. So anyway, you can see the barrel form here, and then right on the end of the barrel, you can see that there's a spigot. And anyway, we just thought that was very clever. So a few other things are some of the lighting in here. So you can see there's a bedside light here. And it's made out of, I'm going to turn the light off so maybe it might be a little easier to see. It's made, maybe not easier to see. It's made out of pipe, and then also made out of a mason jar. So this is sitting on top of beer keg. So they cut out some glass here for the tabletop. There are some bottle caps inside here. And then you can open this up. So it has cute little cubby holes if you needed to have some extra storage. So I just love what they've done with the different piping and also with the different kegs that they've used. So one other thing I'm going to show you in terms of the creative lighting is behind this door here. So this is a light that's in the shape of a spider. So again, we have this unique piping, and the eyes here are actually the light bulbs. I'm going to turn it on here real quick. It's very, very bright and super functional. We actually use this quite a lot because it's a little dim in here. When you turn on this light, it really brightens things up. So again, very creative. I'm going to take you back out into the foyer, and then we're going to slip into the common room, which I'll show you in a second. But first we're going to show you where the girls slept. So this is the second bedroom. Fairly plain. We do have an armoire here, which is nice and functional, so the girls, they have their backpacks in there. And then a bed that's about the same size as our bed. But I did want to show you, again, there's this fun lighting. So there's a light here that's made out of the piping that I showed you before. But what's really cute is that there's a spigot right here, and that's how you turn the light on and off. Isn't that clever? We thought so. So anyway, this is the girls' room. And now I will take you back out in sort of the common area. So in the common area, we have, again, some handcrafted woodwork here where they created a station where you could use a bottle opener to take your bottle caps off. Very clever. This is my favorite kind of an apartment or house where they have sort of a great room or sort of an open concept in the sense that you can do everything. You're cooking and you're cleaning and you're eating and you're sitting and enjoying TV and resting all together. I like being together and close. So we have first this kitchen table I'm going to show you that is made out of kegs again. So you can see there are bottle caps here on top of the kegs. And then you can see that the glass piece is actually hooked onto kegs here. There's a keg here in front and a keg here behind. So again, very creative. And then if you look on the walls, you can see all these tin signs, and they all have to do with the theme of drinking beer. We're not really beer drinkers at all, but we just love this theme and that they've kind of connected everything around it. Super comfortable, functional couch. We are obviously only a family of 4, but if you needed to fit 1 or 2 more people here, this couch does pull out into a bed. And oh, it's hard to miss, this is a ginormous TV. It may be the biggest TV we've seen on our travels, but it's an internet TV, which is the first time we've had an internet TV. So it's been really fun to just casually listen to music or watch YouTube channel stuff. And then I'll just show you the kitchen area. So this kitchen area is really customized beautifully. You can see from the handles. It's small, but it's very functional. So we have a little sink here. This is a dishwasher. This actually is the refrigerator. I love how it's sort of hidden underneath the counter. And in this kitchen, we just had a hot pot. And then we had a countertop sort of a stove. We didn't have an oven or a microwave oven or toaster oven or anything like that, and it's been just fine. It's been actually very nice. I also like these cabinets because they open up like this instead of sideways. Yeah. And then you'll notice the last thing, again with the tying in of everything with the decor, is all these beer bottles. I think many of them are from Slovenia, although we're not beer drinkers, so I don't recognize some others. So. But anyway, yeah, this has been a wonderful apartment. We've really enjoyed our stay here, and we hope you also equally enjoyed our tour of our apartment here in Ljubljana. If you did like it, it'd be great if you gave us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more videos coming your way. And as always, we would love to hear your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.